Hi, welcome to my newest listing at 22 Grove Street, Southwick. Current owners have been lovingly restoring this property for the past 3 years and have made it into a wonderful lakeside retreat. Come check it out. This 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home has over 200 feet of waterfront where you can enjoy all sorts of water activities. This home has the potential for an entirely separate in-law apartment. If you have any questions about this home or any other home, please contact the number below. At Rovithis, we are your real estate resource. Have a great day.